Hi, I'm Ron with ExtremeMist. We're at the ICAST show 2023, and we wanted to introduce a few of our products. This is one that anyone in a boat, of course we show golf carts, tents, side-by-sides, anything, but if you have bimini tops, T-tops, or kayaks, this is a cooling system in a box, just like this. And inside this box, there's a 16-foot line with 4 nozzles. They're all compression fittings, so you can use 1, 2, 3, or 4 nozzles on your system to customize it out. Comes with all the clips, chargers, and everything you need. The battery lasts up to 16 hours per charge. Has a wireless remote control to turn it on. So if you attach this up to your bimini or your T-tops, and then sit back, all you need is a bucket of water or any type of fresh water source. I'm going to turn it on, and this one's cut down for the show, but I've got 8 speeds on this remote control. So now, as I am moving my boat and I'm going forward, the mist is in front of me and it's totally cooling me down, and that's all coming from a pump in here and then from a bucket of water. So it just draws it up and spits it right out. It takes about 3 minutes to slap it up onto any vessel. And we have 2 sizes, a 16-foot line with 4 nozzles, or the Granddaddy, a 24-foot line with 6 nozzles expandable to 8. If you've ever been hot out on the water, you don't have to jump in ever again. Just turn on the ExtremeMist portable quad system and you're set to jet.